All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get into some budget car shenanigans again today. Last video we got the valve cover painted. Looks pretty badass. So we're gonna attempt to get the motor in the car now or today. If you haven't seen that last video, go back, check it out. You can check out some DIY stuff every now and then because I'm cheap and I like to do stuff on the cheap. And I don't like to pay people to do things for me. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Got my BS gate put on. Got it sitting on the dolly or the dolly thing here. Get a new pilot bearing for the clutch. And then we can bolt the clutch onto the motor. Bolt the transmission onto it. And then we can try and set it down in the car. Got the red Loctite on the flywheel bolts here. We're gonna get this torqued down. I think like 75 or 80 foot-pounds is probably gonna be pretty good. Start stacking the Exetti twin disc up on it. We'll get all those torques, start stacking this up and get this torqued. I'll have to find the torque specs for it. And then that'll be done, and then we can put the transmission, the LS training here, bolt it up on there, and then we should be good to set this down in the car. All right, so we got them torqued. I went ahead and, like I said, red Loctite and torqued them to 85 foot-pounds. So now we can get the old clutch here, stack this thing up. And this was, like I said in the past video, I got the homie hookup on this thing. One of my buddies hooked it up fat on this thing. And it is used, but I think even a used twin disc for no more power than we're gonna make is gonna be plenty of clutch. I don't think we'll have to worry about clutch slippage or nothing. So fingers crossed we don't. But yeah, we're gonna get this on here, center up the clutch, and get this thing torqued down. All right, it's almost ready to go in the car. Got a little, my other spare valve cover on it. That way I don't scratch it up. Scratch up the good one when we put it in. Old backyard built. Can't wait to set this thing down in here. Got our coil rad we got from an old build. You know, the engine bay's all painted. Still got to put some new suspension on it and stuff. And then we got some finishing line stuff going in back there. Can't wait to get all that buttoned up. But yeah, clean up some of these hoses and stuff and clean up some of the wiring. We'll be setting a motor down in here very shortly. Well, Troy and I are out here and we just muscled this thing out here out of the garage and got it sit down in the car, and I didn't video any of it because we were too mad at his car sitting right there, that thing. But yeah, now it has a motor in it and a tranny. Got a couple things I need to do before I can put the fenders back on it. And then the bumper's red. I might rattle can that white just cause. Get like some, I'll probably get some championship white rattle can, just can scuff it up and just spray it. So, cause I'm pretty sure this is champ white, like the color they painted the car with. I think they painted it with a champ white. Yeah. But I've got like 3 broken bolts for the fenders. This one down here, that one down on the other side, and that back one back there is broken. So I gotta try them. Hopefully I can weld a nut to them and pull them out. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab the header or the turbo manifold and the valve cover and set it on here and see what it looks like. And just like that, golly, look at that thing. The shade's kind of throwing it off right there. But see if I can get a better angle on it. Whew, man. Dang, boy, look, check me out. Love this thing. God, it's gonna be so cool. Anyways, I gotta button up some stuff on it, you know, but it's bolted down in there. Motor's in the car now. Obviously we got some fab work to do and all the above. Still gotta get some training bolts. There's only like 3 transmission bolts in there. I gotta put the T-bracket in, figure out the fuel line and stuff in the back, all that stuff. But at least now the motor's off the floor. I need to go get some injector O-rings and stuff so I can get the injectors bolted in and plug those holes up, because I don't want, you know, just sitting out here in the elements for stuff to get in it. So yeah. All right guys, so I bought this little fuel line kit off eBay for the Civic, and it comes with like a filter and lines and regulator and stuff, and then it comes with this so you can adapt your fuel line. So I cut the fuel line short, and then I'll clean that up, and then we'll slide on the body of the car, and then we'll slide this on, and it's just a compression fitting, and it seals that up and turns it into an AN. And then you can put the filter on, wherever my filter is, and you can put the filter on it, and then run a line from the filter to the rail. But I'm gonna go throw this on the car and kind of show you what we're doing with it. All right, just kind of slowly putting things in here. Nothing's really finalized yet. Got my little fuel line kit done here. This is a little eBay shenanigans. I'm gonna put a different filter on. I don't like the filter that comes with this kit. It's not really a filter if you ask me. It looks like screen door mesh. But yeah, it's all starting to come together. Like I said, nothing's really finalized yet, but I got the catch can in. Had some old lines laying around. This catch can was like $30 on eBay. The radiator hoses were like 30 or 40 bucks. I had some NGK blues laying around. This was a spare radiator head laying around. I picked up this Treadstone intercooler for my buddy. I think it'll fit good. Gotta make some brackets and stuff for it. I got piping coming, some eBay piping coming. We'll make our own little custom piping kit. I gotta sort out my injector issues. Right now I'm just cleaning up the spark plug wires. Gonna get those put in, snapped in. Gotta get a starter and stuff, and then I'm gonna go through and start cleaning up the wiring, and then start laying the wiring out after we get the piping and stuff made, and really just start buttoning this thing up. Hopefully we'll have some finishing lines, brake lines coming soon, but it's coming together and looking awesome. That's gonna do it for this video. Can't wait. This is gonna be super awesome. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.